like right now. Okay, all right. So you're probably wondering how I'm able to talk to you guys and drive. Obviously, still pay attention to the road, but the car is driving itself. Watch, look. Can you see? I see right here. Look, the car is stopping. Right, it's coming up to a stop. Look. So I'm in the 2019 Nissan Rouge with dynamic cruise control and the Nissan iPedal and steering assist, all that jazz. I'm gonna show you how it works. A lot of it is it's these buttons right here. The autopilot also only works when you're going above 49 miles an hour, but the dynamic cruise control works at whatever mile an hour you set the car at, which is pretty cool. So I'm getting on the freeway now. I just hit 50 miles an hour. So as I'm driving, I actually hit this blue button surrounding my car. It has that button, and then I hit set. And as soon as that little beep chimes and the green steering wheel and lines light up, that's when it's currently engaged. And you can see it's reading the lines and, you know, somewhat driving. Again, you want to keep somewhat your hand on the wheel, if not both hands on the wheel. And if you notice, I can actually take my hands off the wheel. It's going to drive for me. The thing is, it does want you to keep your hands on the wheel. It will give you a warning to grab the wheel every once in a while. Watch. Oh, there it goes. It just wants you to give a tug, like right now. If you don't do it, it's going to get louder and louder. So you actually should keep your hand on the wheel. This is obviously not a real autopilot. It's more of a steering lane assist. I'm more just showing it off and showing you how it works. So it does want you to keep your hand on the wheel, and it warns you to put your hand back on the wheel when it senses no hand on the wheel. So I'll show you. Look, I'm filming right now, clearly, watch, and the car is driving for itself. Watch. After so long, it's just gonna turn the feature off. Oh! Whoa! Okay, alright. Whoa, okay. So what it does is, if you're, oh, it turns it back on though. Whoa, this is cool. And I'm actually coming up to a turn, so watch this. So look, the car is turning for me. I don't have my hands on the wheel. It's pretty cool. So I just wanted to show that off real quick. I'm gonna get back to what just happened. So if you keep your hands off the wheel, or let's say you fall asleep, or you're trying to text and drive, it starts to get louder and louder, and then it starts to brake check you, so to speak. It starts brake checking the car every 3 seconds, and then as you can see, it was like a siren, like you were getting pulled over. And then all of a sudden, it just started slowing me down to where I was about to go 60 miles an hour, so I just had to take back over. As soon as I grabbed the wheel though, the feature turned back on, it started speeding me back up, and it was driving for me again, so that was really cool. Again, this is not to drive for you, it's more to help you drive in the long, tedious road trips and even the drive to work. I use it to help me with the epilepsy and film, obviously. So I was just coming up to this car and it started slowing way down, lower than the speed I have set, and it's because I have it set to give me a good distance between the front car. This is how you change that setting right here. You can give it 1, 2, or 3 dashes. And from my experiences, the dashes mean car lengths. So I had it set to 3 car lengths, and so it's giving me a pretty good distance between the cars. Right now I have it set to 1 car length, a pretty good length closer. So it actually does track the car in front of you as well, so you're obviously not just running into cars. And you can actually set how much distance you want between you and the car in front of you. If there's no cars in front of you, again, it's just based on your speed and your speed alone. So, thanks for watching. This was just the 2019 Nissan Rogue steering assist settings review / iPedal dynamic autopilot, all that, whatever you want to call it. This was how it works and how I use it. See, you gotta grab the wheel, sorry. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you have not already. Check out some of my other videos. Thanks. And you can't even be mad about me doing this because of how I used to drive. Hold on, seriously.
I think I just had a heart attack.
Oh my god. Oh, I got air. I got air. Oh, my brakes now. Oh my god.